Make some motherfucking noise. Y'all mind if I light up right quick? I need to smoke. Fumar. From a cataract. What's up, Santiago? Y'all having a good time tonight? Where the ladies at? Ladies, make some noise. Oh, beautiful ladies in Santiago. Where my fellas at? Fellas, make some noise in here. Man, we just getting started, I promise. Machine, bitch! Sing that shit, say that shit. Can I get a do? Let me get a talk to him. Let me talk to him, Kendrick. Santiago, put your fucking hands up in this bitch. Hey, hey, hey. Tell Virgil right quick on line. Right quick on line. Sing it. Tell Virgil right. Hey yo, little homie lit up his 30. Caught the body dip to the ain't nobody seen him. The 560 pins and I ain't need the 10s. So my weed is sick, cost more than your mama need for rent. That's just from one sip. The drum rip, leave you rich. Hide the body for a week, that shit gon' leave with stench. Rappers come to my city, they gon' need consent. Cause we already know you pussy, nigga, we can play. I told Virgil right quick on my the nicest with this. Ain't like this, I just think this white bitch on my dick. This ice drip on my bitch. No shoe deal, but look at all this nice shit that I on Doe Street, this white shit that I bitch. 2 in the morning on the corner, nice shit with my no soda in this soft white shit that I whip. I'm rich, put all this off white shit on my bitch. So if it's smoke, we ain't even asking. We just pulling up and somebody gon' see your casket. All of that shit penny like James Worthy, Kareem and Magic. Every time Griselda drop, she gon' be a classic. Hey, 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 tell Virgil right. Tell Virgil right. Hey yo, they straight mind, man. Boys around my way, they goblins, but machine, I'm the Apex monster. They writing 16, I'm like J.K. Rowling, 488-page novel. It may not even take 8 hours. We drink half